guys, it's me, Skylin, and we are. Ooh, I am in my POV 1. That's Ellie. That's Evan, and pretty good waterfall. Oh yeah, her name's actually Heather.
My real name's Ellie. John's real name, Skylin.
No! Skylin's real name, Skylin. Yeah, but I named my channel Blitz.
Yeah, on part 1 we told him. Knock him up the head now. We told him.
Oh my god.
Both of our, me and Heaven YouTube channel.
Hold up. Got a break. So nice. This won't break. Only got this much off. Let's go down this. Wait, I might not actually go down this. Oh, it's slippery. I can't. I'm gonna have to crawl, and that's gonna require so much more. Oh, that's my mom and my grandpa. Hi. You're in a video.
Hi.
I didn't expect them to be here. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. I went through the tunnel back there in park.
I'm not really happy with the shoes so
Okay.
And then say real politely, say mom. Say this is dryer work.
Huh?
That's what the dryer work.
Does the dryer work?
Real
What? Okay, I guess. Oh my god. Now I get it. Oh, Ellie, come here. Hold up. Insane creek. I'm not very happy with that piece of trash. That one I'm not very happy with. She got a huge piece of ice.
Yeah.
Can I punch it?
No.
Oh, I want to test my punching
I'm
skills.
gonna hold it.
She set it down and just shattered on her.
I got one piece. It's still standing.
The One Piece?
It's still
The One Piece is real! It's like shaped of, it's shaped like, hold up, no. Show me. It's shaped like, South America.
Yeah.
Now
you won't go in there.
Okay.
This is where I got the big piece of ice.
Here's this. It's forming this back here. Oh, that's a huge dam though. So it's gonna go up and everything is gonna go. I actually want to film this going up. Hold up. I hate this. I'm just gonna leave here. See what damage it does later. Maybe foreshadowing, maybe not. I don't know. She broke something.
Yeah, but I got a new one.
Ugh, my shoes are so. The One Piece of ice is real. Damn, you got a bat?
Yeah. Give me this. You can never trust people too much.
Bruh.
I will.
That's totally something someone would say on the video. You can never trust somebody too much.
It's true.
I'm kind of.
Yes!
Ellie can trust me though. She's my sister.
Yeah, and one of them.
I discovered this place. I'm not sure if I was first or since she'd been living here for a little while. So
Yeah, I think I was first. Oh no, so this one fell off. Up
Yeah, that's the
one I put.
um,
Yeah, I don't think it.
Yo-yo
Right
Heights.
there. Yeah, it wanted to
This
be
is
nice
our
with
sitting
each other.
place.
I'm
Ooh. There's something back there, but I don't think it's accessible. So we're gonna go back this way.
Oh, I love coming back here.
Oh, really? It's accessible? You can like access it?
Yeah.
I might take this.
No, that's mine.
I'm just kidding. Y'all are Bill. What if like a giant gust of wind comes and knocks all over your stuff? Or a
Can somebody
giant.
hold these two?
No.
Ellie?
No.
Because I can't. I'm using my hand for climbing. And I'm using my back.
For walking.
Yeah.
Right here.
Okay.
And baseball
Oh, wait.
in my
Stand
pocket.
there. Don't. Go forward. Can I go forward first? I need to pick the ice up. I'm an ice collector. Get it off my hair, Ellie. Get it out of my hair. It's not in your hair. I can't get out of your hair. These things are in our hair.
Okay. Ow! There's a thorn stuck in my ear. Well, early ear piercing. But I'm not gonna go that way. This place is full of thorns. Zamina, mina. Waka, waka, oh, eh. I gotta hang on to some of these branches for Bryce. No! I cannot hold anything at this current moment. I'm holding a stick and a phone. Yeah. Back here? Oh, look. I didn't drop any of your stuff. I have the baseball in my pocket. Okay. I don't want to slip or anything. So. Ew! Ow! Freak! Okay, sorry. This is my favorite place. Yeah? Ooh. Come here. As you can see, we're very natureful. Or we like nature. That's all. Ooh, what's that? It's green. It looks like bamboo. Not sure if it's bamboo. Bamboo doesn't grow here. Well, maybe it does. Maybe it's sugar cane from Minecraft. I'm just kidding. I'm not an Indian sweaty nerd. Ow. Oh, it's bendy. Hey guys, can you tell me in the comments down below what this is? I might come pick it later. Hold up. This looks like a cigarette. That's crazy. Oh yeah, did you see my stick? It's cool, right? I love it. Okay, if you guys can tell me what this is in the comments, that'd be pretty good. That'd be pretty nice to know what that is. Here's the halfway frozen stick in ice. Right. Oh, freckle. Okay. That's nice. This one's not the broken one. This one Mina, ooh, let it go. Oh. I'm not really that acquainted to nature. I just really like nature a lot. I want to pet dragon. I've decided in my mind I like mythical creatures. Oh yeah, I'm gonna change my profile picture to a drawing I made, which is gonna be the official Blitz Zone, which I'm making a game called Blitz Zone. It's like Pokemon basically, but you can use magic spells. You're on this, but I can't leak that much. Okay.
Thank you.
Don't break anyone's windows.
I will.
Bruh. I mean, at least she's doing something. Huh? For once. Okay. Now we've basically paced back here. So cool. I love nature. It's all pretty cool. I used to go outside and play down in the woods. There'd be some woods back where we lived, and we'd always go. Me and my sister would always go play down in the woods and explore stuff. And found these spare tires, but it wasn't in this trespassing zone. So I was like, we stored free tires. Maybe someone just left them here. And eventually, we set them somewhere. I remember where exactly we set them. Pretty sure if we go back down to if we go back down to the apartments that we used to live in, we'll still find those tires. I might do that in part 3 of what I'm calling the series, Nature Exploring. Okay. See you guys. This is the end of part 2.